This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your OS is current enough and you have at least 1 GB free. Once confirmed, backup app data to cloud or local storage so you can restore settings if needed. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. Then scroll to Updates or Purchase to surface available app updates. This gets you directly to the list you'll act on, saving time and reducing guesswork. Once you see the updates list, choose Update for a single app or Update All to apply multiple patches and feature changes at once. Pay attention to permission prompts. Grant only what the app needs for new functions. If a large download starts over cellular, confirm whether you allow it. Otherwise, wait for Wi-Fi. Keep an eye on progress indicators and battery level. Pause or cancel, and resume later if the network drops or the device needs charging to avoid corrupted installations. After installation, open the app and exercise its main features to confirm the update applied correctly. Check sign-in status and any in-app purchases. If settings changed, restore your preferences now. Make sure notifications and permissions are set the way you want, because updates can reset them. If the app crashes or behaves incorrectly, try restarting the device, then reinstall the app. If that fails, restore your backup or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.